Picture this. You stand amidst the ruins of your old life. Everything you once held dear lies shattered around you. Dreams, relationships, aspirations, all reduced to mere echoes of what they once were. The silence is deafening, a stark reminder of what you've lost. You feel like a ghost, wandering through the remnants of your identity, grappling with the weight of your failures. It's a heavy burden, and the shadows of your past loom large. But here's the truth. This isn't the end. It's the beginning of something powerful. The greatest comeback of your life is not just possible. It's waiting for you, just beyond the ashes. Before we dive into how you're going to build your comeback, do yourself a favor and check out the link in the description. It's what smart investors are using to protect their crypto portfolios. Alright, let's get into it. The first step in your journey is recognizing the old habits that led you here. Every setback, every failure is often a reflection of the choices we make daily. Think about it. What routines have you clung to that no longer serve you? Perhaps it's procrastination, self-doubt, or toxic relationships. These habits are like anchors, dragging you down, keeping you from rising above the ruins. To make the greatest comeback, you must confront these blind spots head-on. It's time to take inventory of your life, to identify the patterns that have held you back. This isn't about blame, it's about understanding. Acknowledging these habits is the first step toward dismantling them. Now that you've identified the old habits, it's time to replace them with new, empowering ones. This is where transformation begins. Start small. Change doesn't happen overnight. Incorporate daily rituals that align with the person you want to become. If you seek discipline, establish a morning routine that sets a positive tone for your day. If you crave knowledge, dedicate time each day to read or learn something new. Surround yourself with positivity, people who uplift you, environments that inspire you. Every new habit you cultivate is a brick in the foundation of your comeback. Remember, consistency is key. Habits are built through repetition, and with each small victory, you'll begin to feel the weight of your past lifting. As you replace old habits with new ones, you'll find that self-respect is a vital component of your comeback. When you treat yourself with kindness and acknowledge your worth, you build a strong sense of identity. This is about more than just self-love. It's about honoring your journey, recognizing your resilience. Reflect on your achievements, no matter how small. Celebrate them. Each step forward is a testament to your strength. When you respect yourself, you set the standard for how others treat you. This newfound self-respect will empower you to make choices that align with your goals and values. It's a powerful shift that will reverberate through every aspect of your life. Discipline is the backbone of any great comeback. It's what transforms intentions into actions, dreams into reality. Understand that discipline isn't about rigid control. It's about commitment to your vision. Set clear goals and break them down into manageable steps. Create a plan and hold yourself accountable. Embrace the discomfort that comes with discipline. It's a sign that you're pushing beyond your limits. When you commit to your goals, you'll find that motivation follows. Remember, every time you choose discipline over distraction, you're reinforcing your new identity. This is your comeback, and it deserves your unwavering focus. As you cultivate new habits and build self-respect, you'll begin to shape a new identity. This is not about returning to who you were. It's about becoming someone new, someone stronger, wiser, and more resilient. Envision the person you want to be. What qualities do they possess? What do they stand for? Start embodying those traits today. Speak to yourself with kindness. Visualize your success, and take bold steps toward your goals. Your identity is not fixed, it's fluid, shaped by your choices and experiences. Embrace this transformation. The more you align your actions with your new identity, the more authentic and empowered you'll feel. One of the most crucial lessons on your journey is the power of delayed gratification. In a world that often promotes instant results, it's easy to become impatient. But true growth takes time. Understand that the sacrifices you make today will pay off in the future. Whether it's investing time in your education, saving money, or prioritizing your health, these decisions are investments in your future self. Cultivating patience is a skill that will serve you well. When you learn to delay gratification, you build resilience and fortitude. You're not just chasing fleeting pleasures, you're working towards something greater. This mindset shift is essential for your comeback. Alright, before we land this plane with the final piece of your comeback, do yourself a favor and check that link in the description. It's what savvy investors are using to stop losing money in crypto. Now let's finish strong. The final piece of your comeback is embracing the journey. Understand that setbacks are not failures. They are opportunities for growth. Each challenge you face is a stepping stone, a lesson that propels you forward. Embrace the discomfort, the uncertainty, and the struggle. This is where the magic happens. It's in these moments that you discover your true strength. As you stand on the precipice of your comeback, remember that this journey is about becoming someone new, not returning to who you were. You are not defined by your past. You are shaped by your choices moving forward. Embrace the lessons learned, the growth experienced, and the strength gained. You have the power to rewrite your story, to redefine your identity. Allow yourself to dream bigger, to reach higher, and to strive for more. Your comeback is not just a return, it's a transformation. As you rise from the ashes, let the world see the incredible person you've become. This is your moment. Seize it. The greatest comeback of your life starts now.